So for this video, it's going to be a clothing haul, a gym wear clothing haul, athletics clothing haul. That's what we're going to be doing today, bubble. So I'm going to tell you guys where I got different stuff from. I got stuff from Forever 21, Dick's Sporting Goods, Here in Jamaica, and Puma. So this is going to include my gym clothes. So this is going to include my gym clothes as well as my hill clothes. Now the very first thing is this top, and this is I used to wear this to the hill, but I've now started wearing it to the gym. And this is a Reebok top. I really wish I could try this on for you guys, but even though I've lost weight, I'm still very uncomfortable with how I look, so I don't want to try clothes on. I'm sorry, but this is what it looks like. This is the back. The black part is the back of it, and it's Reebok. And I used to wear this to the hill, and now I've started wearing it to the gym. It is a large, but it doesn't fit like a large. It fits nice, and it doesn't fit snug. It doesn't fit big. It fits like how a large is supposed to fit. And I got that at Dick's Sporting Goods. And these other two tops, I got them at Dick's Sporting Goods as well, and that's online. So these are this is what the first one is, and it's an Under Armour tank. And this fit, I tried it on, it fits okay. It doesn't fit snug, but it's just a tank, just a regular tank, and it's in large. Guys, my camera keeps stopping, so I'm sorry for all these transitions. Then this one is by Nike, and it's like, they call them racer back. So it's like one line there down the back, and I like how you see how it is? It's curved, kind of like a crop almost. And this is in large as well. All the tops I got in large, and it's dry fit. And I could have gone medium because I like when my gym clothes fits me snug, because I wear my fitness belt and I like to see my body. I don't like to cover my body when I go to the gym. Oh, these are sports bras. These are new, and I got them at Forever 21. You guys, if you have not checked out Forever 21 activewear, you're missing out. It is good. I got these sports bras for like $9. I tore off the tag like $9, $11, and that's good because out here is the same price, like $1,300, $1,500, $2,000. So it's the same amount of money. So this one is pink, and it just has the back there, and it has a little logo, which is so cute, and it's padded. And for the sports bras, you need to choose. I always choose high performance because I run, and I also go to the gym. And when I gym, I do mostly weights when I go to the gym, but for the hill I run. So this is both for the Dick's Sporting Good tops I showed you. These are more for the gym, and this is both for gym and the hill. Now I don't wear bras to the gym or hill. I wear sports bras, and I only have one sports bra. I have two, but they're very low impact, so they're not padded or nothing. So when I walk, I feel my boobs jumping up, and I don't like that. So this top I got at Forever 21 as well, and I don't know why I got it in a white. That was dumb, and it just says can and will, and it's just like a cute little top. Yeah. So that one is for gym, and this one is for the gym as well, or gym and hill. No, this is going to be specifically for the gym because I have some tights that match these ones. I have some tights that match them, and they're the same color. So this will be specifically for the gym. This one again I got at Forever 21, and it's just like a top thingy. It's a weird top. It's a very weird top. It's very string. I'm like, people work out in these stuff, but it was like $9, so I got it, boo. So this is it, and it says there's no time like the present. This is it upside down, but I want to show what the top looks like. So the top looks like the strappy thing is. So yeah, so this would be good with the pink sports bra. I don't know, but that's for gym. These are hill clothes that I wear. So this one is from Puma that I got from my mother, but this top stains so easily that there's a stain there, and no matter how we try, it can't come out. So I don't like this, so I just wear it to the hill. I wear that to the hill. What else do I wear to the hill? I wear this t-shirt as well to the hill, like any t-shirt that I find. This is my husband's t-shirt, and it's very long, and at the hill I feel except for the hill you're walking past people, you're saying good morning and stuff, so men would talk to you more. When I'm at the gym, I'm in the zone. I'm like a bitch at the gym. I don't talk to nobody, honey. No, boo. No. If I'm going to talk to you, I'm talking to the trainer to say, hey, can I take these weights off so that I can do what I want to do? But no, because I'm like that. I'm very like that. Whenever I'm at the gym, especially with guys, because you never know. You can't be too nice to a guy, because then they'll think you want to have their baby. So it's just a t-shirt just a t-shirt. So I'm getting all my heel stuff out. And okay, so I wear this to the heel, this Puma, and I hauled this already, but it says it has Puma written on the foot, and it's on the wrong side now. But I'm not sure if I want to do heel with this anymore or gym, because this is, oh no, I'm going to do the heel because the crotch here is wearing out. Okay, no, heel. And my next heel clothes, this I got from my friend, from my baby mother. So it's just a tight, and she bought it out here in Jamaica. I think she bought it in Salve, and it's just a regular tight that I wear to the heel. And I wear this with this gray shirt, wear both of them together because it's gray, and it's in a large, and that tight is in a large. The Puma shirt is, oh, I don't know, it's so old. I've had this for years and years. It is in, I don't know, 8, I don't know, I think it's in a large, I don't know. Let's finish out the heel stuff. I can't find my other heel tights. Yes, and here's my other heel tights, and this is another Puma one, just like the gray one, and it has Puma on the foot. The reason why I'm going to the heel with this is because the crotch is wearing out, because you know, like when you get that white part right there, so on your leg, it's getting white, like the color is almost fading. So that's definitely heel. So now we are back to gym clothes. This is what I was talking about with the tights that match the sports bra. Well, not really, the sports bras are lighter gray, but they can go together. And these, my friend bought this for me out here in Jamaica, and I think she bought it at Salve, just at a store. And it has the green lining here, and I have another one that has the orange lining, but it's dirty. So I have that, and then I have another sports bra that I got at Forever 21, and it says, "Watch your back." And I thought it was so cute, and this is in a large, and it's not padded. This one is low impact. Excuse me. And the only reason I got this is because I knew that I have some shirts with like an open back, so I wanted, you know, just to stay fun and cute, I guess. Oh, and I got stuff from Victoria's Secret. Now this is when they had the semi-annual sale, so I got this, both items I spent $40 for, which is kind of expensive, but including shipping. But yeah, so this is what the tights look like. They're on the wrong side, but you can see the color. That's what the colors look like, gray, pink, and black. And I got these, I got 2 of them, and I got them in a large, and there's a pocket here. I'm just now seeing this, that there's a pocket there. And I got both of them in a large, and I should have gotten a medium. The large goes up on me, but the waist is too big and the foot is too big. So I know for Victoria's Secret stuff, I can't, and this is for the gym, I cannot go a large. I have to go medium for Victoria's Secret stuff. And this tights, oh my, and the material, oh, I'm going to review the tights later. But these, I love them on a size. I was like, yes, but it's like a regular pants. It's too big because I got them in a large. So I should have gotten a medium. The waist is too big, and like from the knee down, it looks like a pant. It's not fitting like a legging or like a tights. Now for these, for the Victoria's Secret ones and the ones that my friend bought out here, these are extremely good for squatting, as in you're not seeing your panty line. You can wear whatever color panty you want with them. I'm not seeing the panty line when you're going down or when I'm walking up the hill. Oh no, I don't use the hill for that one. I'm going to talk about the hill clothes next. Heel tights. Yet my panty not showing. The lining is showing, as in you see the line that I'm wearing underwear, but you don't see the color of my underwear, which is my biggest thing whenever I watch these kind of videos. I'm like, okay, but do my drawers show, bubble? Now for the Pumas, yes, baby, love your baggy, I go show. I have another pair of tights. Oh no, I start wearing that one out. Now the Puma ones, you better wear black drawers. Better wear black drawers. Better wear black drawers. For the heels, and that's why I wear like the t-shirt to the heel, because I know that my clothes going to my underwear going to show through. Not only it shows that I'm wearing underwear, it shows the color, the make, the design, the manufacturer, where it was made. You get the drift. It shows, bubble. So wear a black underwear with the Puma. Well, these are the Puma ones that I own, so I urge you to wear a black underwear with them. No, I am like on the hunt for black underwear for the ones that don't have the line in them. So I don't know how comfortable they are. I've seen them, but I don't know if they'll be comfortable for me. So no, I'm buying mostly black underwear because I work out a lot, and because I wear a lot of dresses now, and I don't want my panty to be showing and stuff. But yeah, so everything that I got from Forever 21, Victoria's Secret, big sporting goods. These are my gym clothes. And of course, thank God I got some sports bra. This one is padded as well, and I really needed some sports bras. So that's it. And the bag I got from Puma. I hauled this, and this is my gym bag. This is the bag I carry to the gym. I started the gym I think a week or 2 weeks ago, and this is my gym. I go to Lifestyle Fitness here in Portmore at the new center that just opened where Wendy's is, and Progressive Foods. Sovereign Village, I think it's called. So this is my key card, and yeah, I love it. I love my gym. If you want me to do like any workout, something, or I don't know what y'all want me to do or what you would want me to do, but if you want me to do anything related to the gym or workout routine, just let me know in the description bar below, and I'll talk to you in the next video. And now go away, I say bye bye. People tell me bye bye, I don't have to leave. Is the end. So, you leave? Alright then, bye. No, not leaving. Bye.